Today, I'm going to teach you a technique, or more than a technique, a powerful idea which will be a game changer in your manifestation journey. And even if you are someone who do not understand manifestation, do not believe in it, still this technique or this idea, this philosophy will bring significant change in your life and bring success, happiness, growth, prosperity in both your personal and professional life. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Ajay Mishra, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And today I'm teaching you a very, very powerful process. Yes, this one concept, all of you know about that. We have a lot of tools, techniques, and processes in law of attraction and manifestation. And one of the most important technique that so many of you are asking me about it, act as if technique, right? So many of you have heard Novel Goddard and many other teachers, and even in my previous videos where I talk about that if you want to manifest anything, the more you act as if that you have manifested it, you are having that thing, you have manifested, or you are successful, then things start happening super fast. Right? Yes or yes. But many of you keep asking me, like, how can I act as if? How can I act as if that yes, I have manifested the $1 million. Yes, I have my partner. Yes, my relationship is healed. Yes, I have the dream job or the business success. How can I act as if? And today I'm giving you a reverse technique on that, or which is like a different side of the act as if. Today, I want you to understand this one thing, especially if you are struggling a lot in spite of applying tools, techniques, and process in your manifestation. This one will be a game changer. It is what? It is act as if nothing affects you. Yes, act as if nothing affects you. But sir, you have been teaching us for so long, or so many other teachers like Novel Goddard and many others are teaching that act as if I am having my manifestation, act as if I have my dreams. Yes, but remember, if you are struggling in your manifestation, if you are struggling to have that dream job, that business success, that growth, that great relationship, then where you are going wrong is that while you are focusing on your goals, desires, and dreams, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour during the day, but rest of the day, your vibration is coming down because you are getting affected by what is happening in your life or what is happening around you. Like so many of you keep asking, like, how can I shift from living in the 3D to in the 4D of what I am creating? This is that particular process. This is that moment of how can you escape the 3D, means what is happening in front of you physically right this moment. How can you ignore it and manifest what you want? Because unless if lot of things that are happening in front of you which are not good for you, not aligned for you, not right for you, and if you keep responding to it, then what you are doing, you tend to create more of it. Understand the core principle of manifestation. Like attracts like. So the more you respond to what is happening and keep getting affected by it, then what you will be creating? More of the same. For example, if you are constantly struggling in your relationship, or constantly, let's suppose if you are looking for a partner and thinking about getting married, and every now and then someone is asking you, hey, when are you getting married? When are you getting married? And you are responding with negativity, with anger or frustration or sadness, and sometimes saying that, oh, leave me alone, I don't ask me these things. Or sometimes you are saying that, I don't know, I don't have a partner, it's difficult to find someone these days. Look at the news, so many negative news are there. Couples are killing each other. So how can I find? So what you are doing, you are responding negatively to the current situation or the question being asked to you. So when you respond negatively, what you will attract? Like attracts like. You attract more of the negative things. So either you will find it difficult to attract the right partner, or you will end up attracting partner where all these reactions will be true. Like you'll be struggling, you'll be having fights, you'll be having negativity. Same goes with your job. If you're struggling in a job and responding to that job so much day in, day out, and complaining about it, like I have a toxic boss, I have a toxic job, and I am already frustrated, nothing is going right in my life, or I don't know when life will change, what will happen, then what happened? Either you will never find the right opportunity, or even if you find a new job, it will be exactly like the same, a little bit better, a little bit lower, or even sometimes lot worse than what you have. So similarly in business, so many of you are business people, so many of you are stock investors, so many of you are sales agent, and you have the same thing. Or maybe you are someone struggling with money, and you are always complaining that, oh, I don't have money, I'm always struggling with money, I'm always losing money, I don't have enough money, what I'll do? So what you are doing, you are responding, reacting to the current negativity. So what happened? The money comes and it will go away. How many of you have this experience that you are struggling with money, you are complaining about money, and you are praying that God should give you some money some way, universe should give you some money some way, and the moment you get a good amount of money, and the moment you think that, okay, now your problem will be resolved, all of a sudden something happens in your life. Like someone in your family gets sick, something goes wrong, some new things come up, or someone come and start begging you that please help me, someone close to you, and then you have to give it to the money to them. Or someone comes up with a scammy idea and you lose that money in scams. So either you lose that money in some health issue and treatment, you give it to someone else, or someone scams you. So now the money you were wanting, it's gone. Because why? You were reacting negatively. So even if you got something out of it, it's still full of negativity or give you a more negative experience. So what you have to do? You are living in a struggling situation, whether in relationship, money, job, business, anything. But you have to start acting as if, more than acting as if, manifesting the goals, desire, money, relationship, more than that. You have to start acting as if nothing affects you. None of these things bothers you. You are not getting affected by it. As if you are like a monk, as if you are like someone who is absolutely stable. Like in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has taught Arjun of equanimity. What he said, Arjun, you are the greatest warrior, and to fulfill your purpose, you have to be in equanimity. Means you do not have to be sad in any failure, or you do not have to be extremely excited and overjoyed in any success, because that's where you control your emotions, that's where you control your energy, and you only channelize in towards your purpose, your goal, your focus, and that's when you fulfill that goal. So that's what you have to do. You don't have to react to the 3D that so many of you call it, the 3D, or I would say the current situation. Whatever is going on in your life at this point, in relationship, in your job, in your business, in terms of health, in terms of money, do not crib about it. Act as if nothing, no one can affect you. Act as if no one has control over your emotional energy. Act as if no amount of news can disturb you. Act as if nothing is happening in the world that can disturb you, distract you, pull you down, demotivate you. Just focus on this one thing, that I have absolute control of my energy. And I have to keep focusing on my dreams. I have to keep working towards that. I take action, mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, all kind of action possible towards my goal. And I keep moving towards that. And that's how I'll create it. That's how I'll manifest it. That's how I'll achieve it. Yes or yes? Let me know in the comment, and write in the comment, I act as if nothing affects me. Because that's how you are creating, and that's what you have to let your subconscious mind know. Because the more you affirm, the more you tell yourself that nothing affects me, nothing affects me. Even if today I am in a miserable job, Whatever is happening, whatever boss is saying, whatever going on, I'll go to the job, I'll do my work as best as I can, and I am not going to let it affect me because I'm manifesting my dream job. I'll come back from the job, I'll work on my skill set, I'll apply for the right job, I'll visualize it, I'll affirm it, I'm ready for the interview, and I'll go for it, I'm manifesting it, and I'm getting it. Then when you manifest the new job, it won't be a reflection of your past job, it won't be a reflection of your current negative job. If you are struggling in the relationship and you want to heal the relationship, stop focusing on what is going wrong and stop focusing on what your partner or anyone is saying. Just focus as if nothing affects you. Be in that ground, be in that positivity, and focus on the way you want the relationships to unfold, the way you want it to be positive, the way you want to be transformed. If you are manifesting a new partner, do not look at what's happening. Focus on the relationship, what you want to create, what kind of partner you want to manifest, what you want to experience. If you are struggling with money, be grateful to the money you have, be grateful to whatever, but do not curse it, do not complain about it, do not discard it. Just do whatever you can, but focus on raising your money vibration, changing your money mindset, receiving money, finding new opportunity to make money, so that when money will come, money will stay with you, money will grow with you, money will flourish in your life, and your financial situation will change. So how can you do it? One of the best way you can do it is keep reminding yourself, and it will take some time. It won't happen in 1 day or 2 days. You have to practice it, and sometimes you feel like, am I dead from within? Why I am not feeling the emotions? It's absolutely fine. It's the transition moment. So having control of your emotions. Second, you can make a list. You can make a list of people or things or situations which are not good in your life, not positive in your life, and which are affecting you a lot. Because this is your act, achieve, not getting affected by this list, these people, and make a list of the people. They can be close people, family members, friends, office colleagues, but even it can be your lover, it can be your partner. Make a list of close friends, whoever affect you. Make a list of them, the situations, your job, your business, your money situation, any situation which is not right for you. And right on the top, I act, achieve, none of these people, none of these situations affect me anyway. I am positive, I am powerful, and I am focused on my dreams. I am focused on my manifestation. I am focused on my future, and that's what I'm creating. That's what I'm manifesting. And unless you practice this state of acting as if none of these things affect you, then only you can act as if what you are manifesting. This is the key transition you have to do within you to be that great manifester. Yes or yes? If this video is an eye-opener for you, then let me know in the comment and write that I act as if nothing affects me because I am creating my future. And if you are new here, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone whom you care, who need to act as if nothing affects them, because there are so many people so fragile, so much sensitive emotionally, that they are spending their all time and energy only responding to what other people are saying, what other people are doing, what is in the news, and they forget about working on their dreams. So especially if you have someone in your family, in your friend circle, who constantly wasting lot of their emotions only reacting to what is happening in the world or what is happening around them and not working on their dreams, send this video to them and let them know that they can also act as if nothing affects them, so that they can start creating their beautiful life. They can start achieving the success that they desire. And you too can achieve the success you desire. Yes or yes? Let me know in the comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Ajay Mishra, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. See you in the next video.